Hello again. Today we're going to play a game that will help us build fluency with our multiplication facts. We call it Top Dog. To play, you're going to need a notebook, a pencil, a deck of cards, or if you have no cards, just record the numbers from 0 to 10, 11, or 12 on a piece of scrap paper, cut them up, and place them into a container or a bag. You will also need a partner and some game chips for each. Now you can use coins or you can make some out of paper like this. To get ready to play, decide on which times table you would like to practice. I'm going to choose the 5 times table. Now it's time for me to record all of the multiples of 5. What are multiples? Well, basically they are the answers to multiplication questions. Make sure you spread them out so there's lots of room to put down your game chips. Next, your partner needs to choose one color of game chips and you take the other. Start the game by drawing a number out of the bag. Multiply that by your times table number. I just drew out a 2, so I'm going to multiply 2 times 5 and put my game chip on the answer. Now it's your partner's turn. She drew out a 7, so she's going to multiply 7 by 5 and put her game chip on that answer. If you're going to play with coins, you need to decide who will be heads and who will be tails. If you're using a deck of cards, draw a card and multiply it by your times table number. Jacks, kings, and queens can be your 0, 11, and 12 if you wish. If you draw out the same factor as your partner, then place your game chip over your partner's and keep playing until all of your chips are used up. If your chip is already covering a number and you drew out the same factor again, no problem, just double up and keep going. When your chips are used up, time to count your points. The piles where your partner's colored chip is on the top belong to them. They get points for every game chip in those piles. The piles that have your colored chip on the top belong to you. You get points for every game chip in those piles. The partner with the most points is top dog. I hope you have lots of fun playing this practice game. Good luck, everyone.